Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. We're looking at the Nanoleaf Smarter by Design Nanoleaf Line Smarter Kit. Comes with 9 modules. We'll show you those in just a moment. It is Apple HomeKit enabled. This has backlit modular lighting, a music visualizer, and screen mirroring. So we'll take a look at some of those details really quickly. Here's some designs of how you can set these lines up. You've seen them all over the internet, but we're actually going to show you how they work and how they plug in right now. So with the backlit modular lighting, music visualizer, as we mentioned, dynamic lighting effects, and the screen mirroring. So whatever it's showing you on your screen, it will mirror that with the coloring on the lines in the background. Okay, we'll get into it right now. So we have 2 pieces to this. We have the original 9-piece, which you can see right there, and then we have an additional 3+ expansion packs. So you can buy expansion packs. Here's what it comes with, and these pieces come off on top, and then what you'll get is something like this. Here's the module, and then right here is the connector, and then you just pop them in place. Super easy right there. And there's the sticky part that you put on your wall, and everything comes with the kit in the initial 9-piece. We're going to show you all of the pieces here. So these are all the connectors ready to go. Here's the cover plates right there. You have the data module right here. Then you have the power module as well. And so it's just all one power piece connected to everything. And here is the wireless music synthesizer module right there. It all sticks up on the wall or wherever you want it. And you can get really cool lighting effects like something like this. So if you have a movie playing with red and orange, you'll get red and orange up here, or pinks, or whatever you want. It's very cool. You can run it on app. You can have the music synthesize the colors for you with the Nanoleaf system, and it all comes together in one cohesive piece. So you just keep connecting these lines together, and they currently have a black one as well, which you can see up here. These are the black lines. So they call it black lines, but these are the white ones. They have multiple color options, and you get everything in that kit right there. 9 pieces, 9 lines, and it works with Apple HomeKit. This is the Nanoleaf Lines Smarter Kit with 9 pieces. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.